press the bell icon for all the updates.
What is currently existing. But how do you think so the audience is going to respond considering there's so much already out there? Was that at the back of your mind that it may overlap in the reach to the audience?
You know, I always believe that what you cater is what the audience is going to get. So you have to have faith in your product. You have to believe in it. And I believed in this. When I said yes to this show, I totally loved the format. I thought this is something that has never been done before. And the fact that it's on digital platform, it's on Amazon, it's a new thing by itself. The youth, not just the youth, but all age groups can connect to this show because we are, again, doing Bollywood songs, but we are not just doing current Bollywood songs. We're also hitting the 90s. We're going retro in a couple of episodes. So you'll have everything catered to you in a proper plate. And that's what is the best thing about this show. Yeah.
This question is not for me, but I think I can add a little bit to this.
Please go ahead. We would love to hear from you.
So the majority of Indian audience is young. The majority of the Indian population is also very young. बहुत टैलेंट है हमारे पास, इतना टैलेंट है कि हम मैनेज नहीं कर सकते. एक और रियलिटी म्यूज़िक शो से भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला, हमको कम से कम 20-25 और शोज़ चाहिए यहाँ पे. दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि ये शो जो बाकी के रियलिटी शोज़ हैं उनसे बहुत अलग है. यहाँ पे पब्लिक वोटिंग इसलिए नहीं होती है क्योंकि पब्लिक वोटिंग जब शुरू हो जाती है तो TRP बोलते हैं ना उसे, we call it TRP, right? Because of the TRP, we have to add some unnecessary drama as well. There is none of that unnecessary drama in this show. It's purely about talent. It's purely about music. It's a completely new platform, which is the reason why it is so special.
My question is for Karan. You have hosted a couple of shows on Indian television. So when the makers approached you for a show like this, what was your reaction? You were a little apprehensive about signing it. Because since it's a new medium.
Right. No, there was no apprehension at all here. In fact, I was very excited. Like I said, the future is the portal of web. And today all of us have phones in our hands, just like how you have a phone in your hand. And India is the fastest growing mobile network market. So it just makes absolute sense to jump into this and be ahead of the arc and somewhere be a part of the future. So I was very happy when I got offered this show, and I was totally kicked about it, and it didn't take me any time to kind of, say yes to it, because it is a brand like Amazon, and most importantly, the concept of the show is very brand new. And when it was introduced to me that, there is no drama at all, like Nuclear said, and there is nothing that we're trying to create, which we call moments on the shows that we do. So it was a sigh of relief because it is fresh for you also as a host, because जब आप host करते हैं आपको कभी-कभी forcefully judges से चीजें निकलवानी पड़ती हैं जो आपको लगता है खुद जब आप convinced नहीं होते. अगर for example Sunidhi, I've had the good fortune of working with Sunidhi on another show, so we flirted our way through the show. Sorry, when I say we, I have flirted my way with Sunidhi, not only because she's beautiful, but at times, that's the format. I would have in all probability flirted with Nuclear and Amit also put together, if I could. But I'm happy that none of that is there in this show, and that's the power of digital, because we're catering to people like you and me and everybody else here, So it was a fun show.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is that we see a lot of rehashed version of popular old numbers coming back. As creative people, as a musician and as a singer, do you think it's sad?
Sorry,
the trend.
Do you think it's what?
Do you think it's sad, the trend of reprise and rehashed versions of old songs coming back?
Let me ask this question to you. Do you think it's sad? As an audience, do you like it?
I like some of them, but not all. So
exactly, that's the same answer. But in a way, for creators, especially for me as a composer, or I'm sure for singers also, it's sad. It's not exciting that we have to create something of someone else's track that has already been done before, somebody else's baby, which we would not like to touch actually, because that person's vision, that person's baby, it's very difficult to do it in a film format. Here we are talking about, this is a proper format. The show is all about the remix. So it works fantastically and beautifully here in a format like this. But yeah, for films, if you ask me, it is sad.
Sunidhi, you?
सॉरी यार मैं बार बार है ना बीच में घुस घुस के कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहा हूँ आई वांट टू ऐड टू दिस यार चक्कर क्या है ना कि हम जब रीमिक्स की बात करते हैं ना तो मोस्टली वी लुक डाउन एट द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग अ रीमिक्स और उसका कारण ये है कि ज़्यादा उसको उतनी तवज्जो दी नहीं जाती है वी डोंट गिव इनफ क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम व्हेन द रीमिक्स इज बीइंग मेड बट इफ यू लुक ग्लोबली द बिगेस्ट म्यूजिक जॉनर इज हिप हॉप राइट एंड हिप हॉप शुरू ही ऐसे हुआ था कि एक बंदे ने एक रिकॉर्ड में से इतना लूप निकाला इस वाले रिकॉर्ड में से इतना निकाला इसमें से इतना निकाला एंड दैट्स हाउ ही मेड अ कम्प्लीटली न्यू पीस ऑफ म्यूजिक आउट ऑफ इट राइट इट्स अ प्रोसेस इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस बट it will only happen beautifully if you will give enough creative freedom to it. Most of the time within the film space that creative freedom is not given. Remixes को तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती है पर बने हुए गानों को भी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है वो creative freedom. जो इस शो में हमको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमने सबको उतनी creative freedom दी है.
Sunidhi, your version on the same if you would like to.
Same thing. I mean, कोई भी गाना अगर tastefully किया गया है, remix बेशक आप कीजिए तो वो अच्छा लगेगा. Even I like a couple of songs, but I don't like most of them because they are just a repetition of what is already been done. लेकिन इस शो में, like Nucleus said, they are not just being remixed. Now remixing them is a very term now. You know, अब उससे ऊपर वाली बात है. How can you? I mean, there are contestants in this show. They have actually made them sound new, like original compositions, by adding a few parts, by adding maybe a rap or maybe new composed, new written parts, you know, newly written parts.
Or like completely change the composition also. There's no problem.
Yeah,
with
that's
that,
what I mean. And even in the track,
recreated it actually.
Yeah, used elements, just different sounds. You know, it's coming. Music basically is flowing from everywhere in the show, which is great, I think.
But Amit, have you ever been in a position where a producer asked you to recreate a popular number and you put your foot down?
See, I shouldn't be saying this in front of the media, but you guys are here. You're bringing things out of my mouth. But I'm being honest. Yes, the pressure is only from the producers and labels. No composer, no singer would ever want to sing a remix. I don't know about others, but there are a lot of people I know who would not want to touch someone else's song. In films, I'm talking about it as purely a Bollywood. I'm talking about purely in films. It's the producer and labels pressure that we are catering to, and we have to, because we are part of that, we have to do that job. This question you all should ask them why you guys are doing it. Trust me.
और इसीलिए रिमिक्स का शो शुरू किया गया है ताकि हम सब लोग उतने क्रिएटिव बन सकें कि हम ये जो टर्म को जितना बुरा बना दिया गया है ना उसको हम ठीक कर सकें.
And the fact कि DJ सिर्फ shows में parties में नहीं play करते, they are talented people, they also are creative, they make music, they have their own minds. वो सब यहाँ देखने को मिलेगा because you know they'll be out there in the spotlight, and I think that's great because they've always been behind.
I'm not against remix. I'm only talking purely because you asked Bollywood. You use that term Bollywood. That's why. If it's as she said, like she said, if it's tastefully done, fantastically done, I'll be more than happy. If you, for example, there were songs like in 90s, there was Leslie Lewis had done one song. Was it that? Hai Tera Ghungta.
That was beautifully done.
He had completely reshuffled it and done a completely new twist. Then Black Eyed Peas took a song from Ilayaraja, and then there was Kaliyoga Chaman. See the way they have done it. There was a lot of innovation and creative ideas that were put in, and they made it their own. Most of the time, it doesn't happen. So if it's not done tastefully and it's lame, then why to do it? But check with producers why they do it.
सुनिधि, आपके राइट में आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि आपने शुरुआत एक रियलिटी शो से की थी और पूरी आप जर्नी को कैसे देखती हैं और आपको क्या लगता है रियलिटी शोज़ के मायने कैसे बदले हैं, ट्रेंड कैसे बदले हैं और कोई मेमोरी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें मेरी आवाज़ सुनो के वक्त की?
अगर आप मेरी आवाज़ सुनो की बात करें तो आपको याद होगा कि वहाँ कोई वोटिंग सिस्टम नहीं था, तो वो एक्चुअली रियलिटी शो नहीं था. इट्स प्योर कंपटीशन जहाँ पे जजेस का पैनल था और बेस्ड ऑन योर सिंगिंग मार्क्स दिए जाते थे और उस हिसाब से वो हुआ. तो मैं उसको नहीं काउंट करूँगी एज अ यू नो आई वोंट कंसिडर इट एज अ रियलिटी शो. बट या देव बीन मैनी आफ्टर दैट और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि देर आर सच प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर सिंगर्स टू कम अप एंड शो देयर स्किल्स. बट आई थिंक उनको टैकल करना नहीं आता है. अभी कुछ भी हो रहा है. इफ़ यू see reality shows today, then it's more about their stories, where they've come from, उनके घर में चूल्हा जल रहा है नहीं जल रहा है. It's beautiful, but it has become only about that. हर कोई इंसान इस दुनिया में तकलीफ़ों से गुजरता है, लेकिन अगर वो एक शो पे आए जहाँ पे उसको अपना सिर्फ गाना दिखाना है, तो सिर्फ उसी की बात होनी चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब वो कुछ कर दिखाए फ्यू एपिसोड्स में, फिर उसके बारे में अगर उसके बैकग्राउंड की बात हो तो मज़ा भी आएगा सुनने के लिए. लेकिन अगर वो अपने बैकग्राउंड वगैरह के बाद गा के फर्स्ट एपिसोड में निकल जाए, देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट. सो जस्ट गेट रियल, गेट प्रैक्टिकल, मूव फॉरवर्ड. वी हैव इनफ टैलेंट, लाइक निकला सेड, संभालना मुश्किल है, बट उनको करेक्ट गाइडेंस नहीं है. दे आर मोर अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स अदर देन सिंगिंग.
So what are your marketing strategies?
I don't want to bore everyone here with a 3-page note on what marketing strategies are. The fact of the matter is that it's high energy. So it's everything that we design is crafted after the story that we're creating for our customers. So this one's no different. It is high energy. It's incredibly innovative and experimentative, and those things will come to the fore. And we will use social media in a very significant way, because I think that connects almost instantly with young people. And it starts stimulating a conversation. I think the biggest thing to keep in mind is that music unites people. We have diverse tastes in music, and that brings very high quality conversations. You know, each of us have a different point of view on the same song, on the same sound, and we are definitely going to take advantage of that.
Nidhi, I hope you're ready to answer all 7 questions.
Yeah. पहले किसका जवाब दूँ?
पहला पुराने गानों का, रेट्रो का.
तो रेट्रो किया है, ओके. 90s का भी रिमिक्स किया है इस शो में. मैं आपको इतना बता सकती हूँ, वाट नहीं लगेगी.
थैंक यू.
बाकी पता नहीं, क्योंकि ये पर्सनल चॉइस है. कुछ किसी तरह का रीमिक्स या फ्रेश अप्रोच टू अ सॉन्ग आपको पसंद आ सकता है या नहीं पसंद आ सकता, लेकिन वाट अगर लगनी होती तो हम तीनों नहीं होते उस शो में. तो आई प्रॉमिस यू वो नहीं होगा.
सॉरी, पर वो ना नजरिया की बात है सर. आपके हिसाब से वो वाट हो सकता है, पर हमको
जो ज्यादा म्यूजिक,
वही कह रहा हूँ. अगर एक किशोर दा का गाना है, कोई पुराना गाना, वो जो 1950s या 60s में रिलीज हुआ, उसको अगर 2018 में कोई नए जॉनर के साथ मिक्स कर रहा है, तो उसको देखने का नजरिया और अलग होना चाहिए. अगर आप स्टकअप हो के बॉस इसकी वाट लगा
नहीं, लेकिन अगर म्यूजिक ज्यादा, कभी कभी म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट ज्यादा यूज कर लेते हैं तो ओरिजिनल.
सबका सुनने का नजरिया अलग है. जो आपको पसंद आएगा वो जरूर नहीं मुझे आएगा, और वो जो एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो वो नजरिया की बात है सर. वाट इज अ वेरी degrading.
But it's a good thing for youngsters. I congratulate you. अच्छा लगेगा हमें.
I promise you, you'll enjoy the show. आप देखिएगा, है ना?
So much.
आज ही download.
Thank you.
Well, I hope that answers all the questions. We're going to take our final 2 questions.
I'll take it. Yeah. This is Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World. My question is to Nuclear. Nuclear is a genre. I would like to know who's been your inspiration. And yeah, because I'm your biggest fan as well.
मैं सब सुनता हूँ, मुझे सब सुनने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है. मैं हिंदी गाने भी सुनता हूँ, मैं तमिल गाने भी सुनता हूँ, मैं मेजर लेज़र भी सुनता हूँ, मैं स्क्रिलेक्स भी सुनता हूँ, मैं प्रोडिजी भी सुनता हूँ. मैं सब सुनता हूँ. मुझे सब जगह से थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं से जो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है मैं वो अपने गाने में इनकॉर्पोरेट करने का ट्राई करता हूँ. बट या आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ओपन माइंडेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ म्यूजिक. आई लिसन टू एवरीथिंग. इनफैक्ट मैं रात को जब सोता हूँ तो भी मेरा म्यूजिक चालू होता है. दैट टाइम आई लिसन टू वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, बट इट प्लेज ऑल थ्रू आउट द नाइट. So I listen to everything.
So who has been your inspiration? You know, when you started off and this thing came out.
I can tell you my wife has been my biggest inspiration and support since past 10-15 years now. In terms of music, as I said earlier, because I listen to so many different styles of music, I gather little bits and pieces from everything. It's very difficult to pinpoint at one.
Thank you so much.
All right, now I do know that we said one last question, but that last question is going to be mine, and it's going to go to Karan. Karan, of course, हमने शो के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. We need some inside scoop. Tell us about some inside fun stuff, and that's going to be the last question to tell us. कुछ हमें gossip दीजिए. Come on, we're ready.
Well, you know, I don't know where to start from. Right?
Tell us about Nuclear, because he's hiding his face right now. We want to know.
Actually, you know, the fact of the matter is, and you know, at the risk of sounding like, you know, there's no masala in the show, but there is no the so-called drama that is created. Okay, Fact of the matter is कि हमारे show में actually कोई script नहीं थी per se. Other than the links and all, everything was being built on the spot, and we had these three very cool people, you know, on the other end that always patted back with a lot of things. But to very subtly put, you know, I think मैंने officially अमित त्रिवेदी सर की जो मैरिज है उसको बहुत रिस्क पर लेकर आ गया हूँ मैं 2-3 बार, क्योंकि you guys have to watch the show, like अभी जैसे आपने सवाल पूछा इतना मतलब भारी वाला कि गाने रीशफल मतलब रीमिक्स वगैरह होंगे तो उनकी वाट तो नहीं लग जाएगी, तो अमित सर बिकॉज ही इज सच अ उम्दा कंपोजर एंड प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री, तो ही केम बैक विद अ you know reply to save Sunidhi ma'am, but on the show the first thing that he comments on is the smile of the contestants. How beautiful the girl is looking today.
Wow.
Believe it or not, I'm shocked. Galen, did you not get a compliment just as yet?
I did not, and I'm actually
Amit sir,
feeling quite bad right now.
ये सब सोचेंगे मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. पर
I have requested Grey Matter and Amazon to edit all those things. I hope they have done that.
So Amit sir is the highlight of every episode. I'm not going to let him talk here also because he used to start off with that. है ना? Suniti, you wanna drop some load on nuclear?
No. नहीं मुझे
Because
अमित के साथ नहीं फंसना, क्योंकि जान पहचान तो हो गई है ना, तो कहीं भी
जान पहचान हो गई है.
बट जो है वो ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग बहुत ही रियल है, मजेदार है, इट्स कम आउट नेचुरली, कुछ सोचा वोचा नहीं हमने,
और हमने कुछ क्रिएट भी करने की कोशिश नहीं की,
कुछ नहीं. और द फैक्ट कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो फ्रीडम है इसलिए ये हो पाया, नहीं तो नहीं होता. सो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट.
मतलब इट्स लाइक बातचीत बिटवीन, जिस तरह से हम बात कर रहे हैं उसी तरीके से पूरे शो को ट्रीट किया गया है. और कहीं पर
बातों में फंसा दिया अमित को
एक्चुअली बातों में. एंड यू नो believe it or not, actually want to bring it to the notice of everybody here. Usually जब हम ये shows करते हैं, reality shows करते हैं, तो जो दिन की shift होती है वो 12 घंटे 14 घंटे 15 घंटे तक चलती रहती है और हम एक ही episode उसमें से निकालते हैं. But believe it or not, remix का हमने हर shoot scared 4 घंटे में रैप किया है. So it's as good as being a live show. You get to see it bang on. It is that energy, and that's what the contestants have done. And believe it or not, the best thing on the show is the talent. You know, everybody is talking about remixing and everybody is talking about कि किस तरीके से गाने remix होते हैं, हमें नहीं अच्छे लगते और लोगों का उन पे एक opinion होता है. But इस show में वैसे मेरा बोलना नहीं बनता क्योंकि music के लिए you know the judges have much more knowledge than I do. पर इस शो में वैसा नहीं है. इसमें ऐसा जिस तरह से आपने कहा कि पुराने गानों को हम खराब करते हैं, वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. तो you won't find any of that. They've actually, the contestants have really worked very hard. 2 दिन में they have remade an entire track from making it sound absolutely brand new. तो जिस तरीके का आप गाना, जो गाने आपको ऑलरेडी पसंद है, वही गाने आपको ब्रांड न्यू एक साउंड में मिलेंगे. हो सकता है बहुत बारी ऐसा हुआ है कि हम खुद वो गाने को recognize नहीं कर पाते थे. I mean, जब तक वो गाना एक certain level तक नहीं पहुंचता था कि कौन सा गाना है जिसको remake किया है. तो I think that the content is what is really the driving force of the show, and I know it sounds very cliche when I say that, but the fact of the matter is it's very brand new, it's very refreshing, and this is something that the audience is going to witness for the first time on March 9th. That's all I got to say.
Brilliant. Thank you very much to all our panelists.